following in the footsteps of the famous. Hello, my beautiful people. Continuing with our tour of the Caribbean coast, following the footprints on the famous. Today we had the opportunity to take and share with the Samarian artist Carlos Vives, who is currently living in his hometown of Santa Marta. The artist revealed to us that they has taken advantage of his COVID-19 pandemic to share and enjoy his family space. He also told us that he has working on his new song. We have been experiencing in the Leski's beautiful sunsets and exotic beach of this beloved city. He also told us that the song will be released very soon and that they will be very popular with the public, and so that his followers continue to enjoy his music. We take his opportunity to recall some important information about the artist. He remained has that he was born on August 17, 1961, and that he is named his 16th birthday. The artist is about his beginnings in music. He comments that at age to 12 birthday moving with his family to the city of Bogota, where he acquired a taste for music and acting. In 1991, he has offered a television role that about changed his life forever. He has given the lead role in a fantastic series based in the life of the vallenato composer Rafael Escalona, Calle obviously Escalona. He sang the composer's song on the series, and that with the redactors his career towards vallenato and his fusing with rock, pop, and other ethnic Caribbean rhythms. He remembered with great joy at the Clásico de la Provincia, which became a memorial classic, projecting the vallenato on stage and achieving worldwide recognition. He too tells about some of the activities that his mom enjoys than when he is at his house. For example, cooking with the help of children and preparing some of his grandmother's recipes. On the other hand, he told us that they love to watch movies with his family in his room with comfortable clothes during the leaves, and popcorn is a perfect plan for the weekends. Finally, the artist revealed to us that his time in isolation he has allowed his go closer to the family, to get rid of some psychology and material things that have brought him peace and love of spiritual reflection. I taking this moment to thank all his fans and followers for their support and the commitment we have allowing the rest of his career. With my people on the here, we continue to fall in another famous happy weekend.